So hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss what are the legit apps, legit websites which are available so that we can apply for off-campus job and which will ensure 100% interview call. So first is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is one of the best platform to apply for off-campus job. One tip I would like to give you is if the email of HR is present or the email of tech lead is present in the job description, do send your resume, right? The second thing is don't neglect internship opportunities. Why? Because internship opportunities are keys, are golden opportunities in getting full-time opportunity. If you are performing good in an internship and if you are collaborating, if you are displaying yourself as a team player, then there is a huge chance that your internship will be converted into a full-time opportunity. So don't neglect internship opportunity. The third thing is while applying in LinkedIn, use your computer. Why? Because whenever you are applying in LinkedIn, so you will be redirecting to many websites, many other websites. So in other websites, they will ask for Aadhaar card, they will ask for your resume. So if you are applying via your phone, it will be a little difficult to navigate, right? And one more thing is, while I was applying for off-campus job, I found out in some websites there are bugs. If you are applying, if you are even clicking the right link in the phone for the document, for the ask document, then also the documents are not getting uploaded in the website. Some bugs are there, right? So that creates a lot of frustration and you may end up missing some good companies. So open up your computer and apply directly from your computer. Otherwise you may miss some good opportunities. The next one is HackerEarth. HackerEarth, with collaboration with different companies, organizes hiring challenges, right? And most of the roles offered by HackerEarth are of developer, quality analyst, machine learning engineers, and data analyst roles. Now, it is true that HackerEarth don't have many opportunities for freshers. Like it does not have 100 of opportunities for fresher. It has like 5 to 6 opportunities only. But if you clear any one of the tests, the chance of being selected skyrockets. The company will know कि you have good aptitude, you have good problem solving skills. That's how you have cleared the test. So the chance of getting selected is very high. So what you have to do is when you go to HackerEarth, you have to go. This is the link for HackerEarth. You have to go after making a login. You have to go in this compete section. Then after that, in the challenge type, you have to check the hiring challenges jobs, right? There are many opportunities, but very less are for freshers. But whatever available for freshers, do apply in those. Do apply for those opportunities. Because if you clear one test, chances of getting selected is very high. That's why HackerEarth is one of the best platform for freshers. The next one is My Future app. So this is one of the legit app. You should 100% use it. And while I was applying for off campus, I found that if I apply to 10 applications, I was getting calls from 8 or 7 applications. I was getting call from 7 to 8 applications. So this is one of the legit app. And one more thing is, whenever you are applying for jobs, uh, it will ask for a date on which day you want your interview to be held, right? On that particular day you will get an automated call in the morning time. So don't ignore that automated call or don't miss that automated call. That automated call means you are, if you are participating in the further rounds or not. If you miss that, it directly means that you are not participating. So you have to attend that automated call anyhow, or you will miss that opportunity. And many good companies are available in My Future. Next is Naukri.com. In Naukri.com, many freshers thinks that it is fake. I do agree that some cheaters are there, but their number is very low, and there are very huge number of good opportunities available in Naukri.com. So do apply in Naukri.com and be cautious. Be a little cautious. If someone is asking money for any opportunity, don't pay them. And otherwise, do apply for companies there. There are many good opportunities available in Naukri.com as well. The next one I found out is Great Learning Olympus platform. So what you have to do is go to this link. When you go to this link, right? So here what you have to do is make a sign up with your email ID and password. And after that, you have to attend an aptitude test. This aptitude test is of moderate level, and good questions are there in it. So you have to attend it and you have to clear it. If you clear the aptitude test, then only you are eligible to apply for different companies, and it is one of the legit platform. So do try it. The next one is Internshala. Internshala mostly provides internship opportunities for freshers, but as I said, internship opportunities are golden opportunities, are the keys to full-time employment, right? So do apply for internship and take your internship seriously. Do work hard in the internship. That is a very important part. And do collaborate with the employees working there, with your managers. This is also a very important part. If you do both of these things, then there is a very good chance that your internship is going to be converted into a full-time offer. One more thing is Internshala do have full-time opportunities for fresher as well. If you go to Internshala, this is Internshala website, and if you go to freshers job, so there are many full-time opportunities are also available with good package. So do apply in this full-time opportunities as well. Do apply in the internships as well. Next one is the Litmus PH test. It is one of the difficult aptitude test, but there are very good companies available in this platform, and most of the companies will give you IT related roles. So this is one of the thing, and companies are good. They will pay you high CTC if you have a very good percentile. You have to score a percentile of 95 to 100, then only you will get good calls, and CTC will be very good. So this is one of the better platform available. MCAT and CoCubes are also similar type of platforms and will provide you IT related opportunities. One more thing is this Nagaro coding bootcamp. Nagaro, in collaboration with Coding Blocks, made a bootcamp for third and fourth year students. So all branches are eligible. So if you want to switch your career, this is one of the good opportunity. So what you have to do is enroll in this Nagaro Coding Blocks bootcamp. You will be getting training there, and after completion of your training, there will be an exit test. There will be an exit test, and there will be one interview organized by Nagaro. So if you clear both of these things, you will get a full-time opportunity in Nagaro. So Nagaro is a very good service-based company. So this is the link for Nagaro Bootcamp. We'll provide all these links, whatever is in the PPT, in the description of the channel as well. So this is one of the link. This is the link which will take you to the Nagaro Bootcamp, and this is one of the YouTube channel in which there is an employee who is very senior, who has experience of 3 years, and he is talking about if this coding boot camp is worth it or not, right? And this is the organizer. Like, this is the person you should get in contact. Detailed information is provided by this person. Now the next thing is Angel.co. So some people have like year gaps, or some people don't have the required branches. Like they are from different branch and they want to work in IT industry. So what happened is they can use this website. This is Angel.co, and this have many startups, right? But for entering into startup, you have to have some very good skills like web development, data analysis, Python, Android development, any skill, like any one skill, or front end development or back end development, any one skill you need to have, and some good projects. Then you can apply in this website, and in this website huge number of startups are there, and startups don't care about what is your background, from which branch you are coming, you have this 2 year gap, what you were doing. Startups don't consider all these things. They will see if you have this proper skill set, if you have the proper problem solving skill, and if you have the proper attitude. That's what matter to a startup. So you can apply in these startups also if you have year gaps. So this is one of the very good opportunities. Then for all freshers, what we are doing is we have a Telegram channel. The link of this Telegram channel is this. So every day for every branch we are giving 10 to 15 good off-campus opportunities, like good off-campus notifications we are posting in our Telegram channel. So you can go into our Telegram channel, and you can like apply to a lot of companies from there. Now, for applying off campus, the rule of thumb is if you have the relevant experience. Now, the job description mentions an experience of 0 to 2 years, and you're a fresher, you can apply. But the job experience mention a experience of more than 5 years. You should not apply. That is a waste of time for you, right? The second thing is the skill set. Generally, when you see a job description in off campus, you will see a long list of skill sets, and nobody will have those number of skills. So if you have 1 to 2 skills related to that, do apply, right? And for every day you should apply for at least 10 companies. 10 company is like a small number. You should apply more than that every day. Why? Because if you are applying for 100 companies, you will be getting response from 10 only, right? So this is one of the bitter truth of off-campus opportunities, but we cannot give up, right? There are opportunities, there are a huge number of opportunities. So we should try. If we have skills, we will 100% get a job, right? And the next one is don't take internships lightly. As I've mentioned a couple of times in this video, key internships are the golden keys. If you are an intern in a company, there is a huge chance you will become a full-time employee there. You have to work hard and you have to collaborate. These two things are very important. So these are the steps. These are some tips, or these are some apps or websites which are 100% legit. And if you apply uh, in these apps, in these websites, there is a huge chance that you will be getting large number of interview calls, large number of calls from good companies.